Hello everyone, welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. My name's Ed, and in this video I want to show you how to clear your import and your export requests if you have done any recently to either export or import PSD files. So the first thing is, how do I know that I have import or export requests? Well, it's simple. You can go, you can check. The command is get-mailbox export request, and the other one is mailbox import request. Now, as you can see, we've got one for each. You might have many more than this, but there are two PowerShell commands you can run, obviously one for each. So what the PowerShell command does, it gets a mailbox export request with the status of completed. Now you can actually see both of these are in a completed status, and then we're basically saying remove the export and the import request, and I've specified a confirm switch here because if you have 1,000, 2,000, whatever the case is, you don't want to sit here going yes for every single one, right? So to start the first one, if we go to the export request, come on. You'll see that the command ran. It looks like it's done nothing, but if we go actually have a look, you'll see there's no more export request where we previously had an export. If I do the same now for the import and I come here, you'll see again it's run, no errors, and I can basically check the imports. You can see it's now empty, and there was the previous one. So just remember that if you are decommissioning a server, applies to Exchange 2016 as well, 2013, you need to remove your import and export requests before you can also delete a database, because it sits tied to the server. Sometimes something goes wrong and you have to go into ADSI edit and remove these, but that's only if you're in a very bad situation where the server is broken or you have to delete it that way to get rid of the server. But in normal cases, you just run this command and you'll clear them all, and you're pretty much on your way. Thank you very much for watching.